Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW 1 Series vs Audi A3 vs Mercedes, a class which is better. Follow along as I walk you through handling, cabin comfort, tech, and ownership costs so you can decide which car suits daily life best. I'll highlight what matters on commutes, weekend drives, and long trips, and point out where each model shines or falls short for typical buyers. Let's talk driving feel and how each car behaves on the road in real conditions. The BMW tends to reward spirited inputs with sharper responses, while the Audi offers confident, steady manners in rain or city traffic. The Mercedes leans toward comfort and isolation, smoothing out rough surfaces and prioritizing relaxed cruising over aggressive handling, which can appeal to drivers seeking a serene daily commute rather than track-oriented thrills. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I've been using. They're great for saving time and keeping snacks organized between drives. You'll find the link and other deals in the description below, so check there if you're curious. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's explore interiors, space, and practicality so you know what living with each car feels like. The Audi's layout and infotainment are straightforward and efficient, making daily use easy. The BMW keeps the driver front and center with supportive seats but a cozier back row. The Mercedes emphasizes luxury touches, softer surfaces, and an inviting atmosphere, which makes it ideal for passengers or longer, relaxed drives around town.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.